How to make a Gantt chart in Trello. So first go to your Trello board here, and then just look for power-ups here at the top, and then click on it. Okay, next is just click on add power-ups. Okay, next is search for Team Gantt here. Okay, now just click on add, then click on add again, then just log in if you already have an account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account here. So since I already have one, let's just log in, then okay, sign in, then just click on open authorization pop up, then of course click on allow. Okay, of course you can choose either auto or manual, so let's just select auto. Oh wait, I can select auto. Okay, so just let's just select manual. Next is just finish setup, or you can choose any of the options here that you want to use. So I'll just use sync dates. Let's just finish setup, and then okay, just close this, and then let's go back to our board, then customize view, power-ups again. As you can see, now we have view in Team Gantt. So let's click on this one, and now we can see all of our tasks in a Gantt chart. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.